Okay, what is up, everybody? Today we're gonna be doing like a little day vlog type thing. You know, I don't know what's gonna happen really. Hopefully later today, if the adapter comes in, we'll be installing the Adam LZ steering wheel. So that ought to be fun. So hopefully a cool little day. You know, chill. It's really nice outside in Georgia today. So we'll see. FedEx just showed up a few minutes ago and we got the piece that we needed to install the steering wheel. We got the short hub from NRG. Tearing this thing out. It's been my first time ever doing something like this, so not exactly sure. And about a half hour later, I've got the airbag out. There it is, the death trap. Alright, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but the guy in the video takes the clock sensor out. It's made for the clock spring can still stay in there. So I'm gonna leave it in there. I guess that's it. I don't know. I like it. Alright guys, I'm about to take the ride over to the mill. Me and Taylor are gonna skate for a little bit. And just like that, we are at the mill. The local kind of like skate spot that we usually go to like every time we skate, because it's just a good flat ground and a good time every time. Let me grab my tripod. I'm gonna leave that the hand on because it's pretty sick. Grab the skateboard out. Taylor has joined the chat. That's it, guys. We're out of here. I couldn't land it. All right, brother. Super cringy.